And then, they're open. They're always open, I think. Pulling up to the old Flagstop Car Wash. Check it out. I love this car wash. See if they're open today. I almost forgot about it. It's not raining, so they're probably open. Going up like this. And you can see they're open. Scans my little vehicle like that. My truck pops up. Cool. Look at that. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nifty. I knew it really was. The gate didn't shut on me, at least. I was kind of worried about the gate shutting on me for a minute, but it never shut on me. Well, all right. Whip it around like that. Back it up. I can never get it on the first try. I've been doing it for a while. I don't never quite fit. I like to run over the stuff. Get on up here like that. And listen, pedal to the car, speak up. He gonna get me right on there. That's what he usually does. And put it in neutral like this. Just kind of keystone up here. That's all we gotta do. Just like that one. And now neutral like this here. And we're ready to rock, baby. Like so. Like so. And the car wash we go. That's pretty nice. The ultimate deluxe wash. We're going to the car wash next. This is how we do on a daily day here, guys. In neutral. Foot off the pedals, hands off, wipers off. Follow attendant's directions right safely. Here we go. And we're ready to rock. Quick, give me one wipe. Always get 1-2 wipes in real quick. Wipers clean. Real quick. Oh, yeah, there we go. Not too bad. I like the club. Yeah, definitely did a job. That's for sure. That is for sure. Nice and shiny. The rims are shiny. Everything dripping down. That's why I kind of like to let it sit for the shot for a second. So, okay, when I pass it, clean it off. Nice rims, looking good. All right. Got the top of that real nice. Everything good up top. Nothing good up top. So, if you like what you see, all that, like and subscribe. See you next time. Peace.